Hey, what's going on? Rob Manders here on the Wheelin' Out West channel. Today I'm changing the oil in my 2015 Jeep JK Unlimited Rubicon Edition. We're going to be changing the oil and just checking over a few other things. So today I've got 6 quarts of oil, 1 oil filter, 1 air filter, a 13 millimeter, and a 24 millimeter for the oil filter. The 13 millimeter is for the oil drain plug. This oil change cart sure makes oil changes a whole lot cleaner and a whole lot quicker. While that's draining, I like to go ahead and loosen the oil filter cap as well, because a little bit more seems to drain out once you loosen that. Like there's a little vacuum on it, and a little bit more oil drains down in there too while you got that draining. So I got my oil life reminder reset. So basically you turn the vehicle to the on position, press the accelerator 3 times slowly, and then go to push menu, go to vehicle info, then down to oil change, oil life remaining, and you can see right there 100%. So I've reset that.